Some animals survive by running fast, some survive by hiding, but a rare few survive by breaking every rule of nature itself. These are the creatures that can live through heat, cold, pressure, radiation, and disasters that would wipe out almost anything else. And once you hear what they're capable of, you'll never look at the natural world the same way again. Let's start with one that almost no one believes is real. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature can survive heat hotter than boiling water, cold close to absolute zero, and pressure stronger than the deepest point in the ocean. It can even survive outer space. NASA literally exposed tardigrades to the vacuum of space, and they walked away like nothing happened. How? Their bodies enter a state called ton mode, where they dry out, shut down their metabolism, and wait. Months, years, some have been revived after 30 years like they just took a nap. If Earth ever faced a mass extinction event, tardigrades would probably be the last ones standing. Now, from the smallest survivor to one of the most heat-proof creatures on land, the camel. People think camels survive the desert because of their humps, but the truth is even stranger. Their blood cells are shaped like tiny ovals that can expand without bursting, allowing them to lose up to 25% of their body water without dying. For humans, just 10% is fatal. Their nostrils trap moisture. Their bodies store heat instead of releasing it, so they don't sweat much. They can drink over 100 liters of water in minutes and keep going like nothing happened. To survive in a place where the ground can reach 70 degrees Celsius, evolution turned them into living desert machines. But heat is easy compared to this next one, the wood frog, the animal that freezes itself alive. When winter comes, this frog lets ice form around its organs and inside its body. Its heart stops. Its brain activity flatlines. For weeks or months, it is medically dead. But when spring arrives, the frog simply thaws and comes back to life. No damage, no scars. Just a creature that mastered the one power science has never fully understood: how to freeze and revive a living organism. Now, let's dive underwater. The Antarctic ice fish, the fish with antifreeze in its blood. In waters cold enough to kill most species instantly, the ice fish swims freely because its blood contains special proteins that stop ice crystals from forming. No other vertebrate on Earth has blood like this. Its heart pumps slower than a ticking clock, yet it survives in temperatures that should turn life into glass. But if you think cold is the hardest environment, think again. The Sahara silver ant can survive temperatures that would literally cook most animals alive. This tiny creature can sprint across the desert at the speed of a human running 200 miles per hour if it were our size. It does this to avoid dying in the deadly heat, because in the Sahara, even one extra second on the sand can mean death. Their bodies reflect sunlight like mirrors, keeping them cool enough to survive conditions that could melt plastic. And finally, the Deinococcus radiodurans, the toughest organism ever discovered. This microbe can survive 5,000 times more radiation than a human. It can reassemble its own broken DNA within minutes. Scientists call it Conan the Bacterium because nothing seems to kill it. Not heat, not cold, not pressure, not space, not acid. It is so unstoppable that researchers study it to understand how life might survive on other planets. These animals don't just survive extreme conditions, they master them. They remind us that nature is far more powerful, creative, and strange than anything we imagine. And if these creatures can endure the impossible, maybe we can learn something from them too. Follow NaturePulseTV for more deep, powerful wildlife stories and discover a world that's wilder than your imagination.